Hello everyone, it's me again MJ at sabay-sabay nating baybayin ang kagandahan ng probinsya ng Batangas.
I've been searching so long in this world, trying to find someone who could be what my picture of love was to me. Then you came along. When I saw you, I knew you were the one, the love that I've been dreaming of. 'Cause I've been waiting for you all my life, for somebody who makes me feel the way I feel when I'm with you, baby. Have you been waiting too? 'Cause I've been waiting for you. Oh, girl, I've been saving my love all this time, 'cause I knew someday I would find the one that I've loved for so long in my mind. From the moment that I looked in your eyes, I saw the girl I've loved all my life. 'Cause I've been waiting for you all my life, for somebody who makes me feel the way I feel when I'm with you, baby. Have you been waiting too? 'Cause I've been waiting for you. Now that I found you, I just can't let you go. No, 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 no. Oh, there's just one thing I want you to know. Girl, I love you so. I've been waiting for you all my life, waiting for you. Oh, I've been waiting for you all my life, all my life. When I saw you, I knew you were the one, the love that I've been dreaming of. 'Cause I've been waiting for you all my life, for somebody who makes me feel the way I feel when I'm with you, baby. Have you been waiting too? Oh, I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you all my life, waiting for you. I've been waiting for you all my life, waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. Waiting for you, girl, all my life.
And that's it for today. See you guys on my next video. Bye-bye!